This conference will now be recorded.
Can you see my screen, everyone? Can you see my
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Okay, thank you. So, today we are going to discuss the topic is master data governance. Master data governance. Just this is your topic, SAP master data governance. But to understand the SAP modules, this is a top end module in the SAP level. So, in the market level, high demanded codes. So, to understand the topic, first you have to know some basic information of SAP. Then only you can understand this master data governance. So here I will give you the quick introduction about master data governance. Then I will move on to SAP basics. So once done the basics, then next week we'll move on to the master data governance actual topic. So first 7 classes are basic classes just for SAP introduction. So once it is done, then you can we can move on to the master data governance. Then you can easily understand the topic. Okay. So first we are starting with the master data governance, just introduction here. So as I hope everyone know about master data, right? Daily in a day-to-day life, everyone using this master data. So can you tell me anyone few of the master data related objects? So I hope everyone doing this KYC documents, right? What is the KYC? Know your customer. So what is the KYC information? KYC information is what? So your bank, your mobile, if you purchase SIM card, anything. So they are asking for KYC documents, right? So what is the KYC documents? Guys, please respond. Can you hear me, right, everyone?
So, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is KYC documents?
So it is a personal documents will collect like name, any personal details, basically.
Personal details. Very good. So personal details means what? What type of personal details and documents?
Aadhaar ID proof, bank,
Very good. Aadhaar
bank
ID,
ID,
bank details, Aadhaar ID, your PAN card, hmm,
PAN card, phone number,
phone number. Very good. So these are all what? KYC
master data.
related documents. Master data, nothing but here. So this is the data. For example, if I take one example, as my friend said, Aadhaar and PAN number. So, for example, I have a requirement. I need to change my Aadhaar card, Aadhaar address, or phone number, or anything, any modifications are required in my Aadhaar card. So, is it possible to do myself directly? I can directly do the changes in the Aadhaar
No,
or
sir, we
PAN.
can't.
So, generally, what you have to do to do this
Actually,
activity?
we visit the MeSeva or some other centers.
Are portals, online portals,
Yes,
other
sir.
online portals, correct? Excellent.
Yes, sir.
So, so here online, we are taking the online process. So online process in the, for example, if you visit other website, they are asking for supporting documents to do the, for example, if you want to do some changes in the master data. So for Aadhaar card details. So it is required for what is the existing, I mean, the recent power bill or something, the supported document you need to submit. And then only based upon that, team has to change your details. So how many days, once it is submitted, how many days it will take to update? Maximum 3 to 5 working days. Minimum 3 days and maximum 5 days. Within the 3 days, your details would be updated into the system. Then automatically you can download and you can use it for the same. Correct? This is the process are going on. Even not only Aadhaar card, bank details or anything. If you go with that, it's take 3 to 5 working days. Why it is taking 3 to 5 working days means it is a master data. Master data we cannot do we cannot do the changes directly. Once it is entered into the system, we cannot do the changes. Oftenly, we cannot do the changes. To do the changes, what is required? Governance process is required. Set up governance processes required. Governance means set up roles and authorizations. Roles and authorizations. Roles and authorization means, so you are the owner. You are the Aadhaar card holder. You are the owner. You are not able to do the changes. You don't have a roles authorization to do the changes. These changes performed by specified persons. Only those candidates can do the changes. So these changes, authorizations, we are calling like governance, master data governance. So the entire this subject roaming around this master data governance. So master data, it's a key data. It is stored in the centralized location. We cannot change oftenly. To make the changes, we required what? Governance process. Governance means set up roles and authorizations. Just 1 minute. One participant is waiting for joining. 1 second. 1 minute, please. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So what we are discussing, the master data is the key data. It is stored in centralized location. We cannot change oftenly. To do the changes, we require set up roles and authorization. So entire topic we are going forward. We are discussing about this master data and how to maintain, how to provide the authorization to the users. Uh, and once data is finalized, and finalized means it followed all master data rules, then we are moving to different systems, whether it is a SAP system, non-SAP system, cloud system. We are replicating the data from MDG to target system, and how to load the data. This mass data, how we can maintain the first only for single entry records. Okay, we can through this we can maintain the master data rules and governance process. But if it is a bulk data, how we can maintain it? So these are all topics going forward we'll discussing on the next week. So this is just introduction. So before we understand these topics, first we understand basic concept of SAP. Okay. So just I'm moving on to SAP topics. Introduction of SAP. Basic understanding about ERP. Before coming to the SAP, first you need to know the ERP. So what is ERP? So ERP is Enterprise Resource and Planning. So what is Enterprise Resource and Planning? So for example, I have planned to start one company. So one manufacturing company, for example, paper plate manufacturing company. So this is my requirement. So to start company, start a company. So what is the main resource we require to start a company? What is the main resource we require? Yes. For example, if you start a business, so what you require? What is the main resource? Main resource is the money. Main resource is what? Money.
Money.
Without money, you cannot do anything. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So money is the first. We have a sufficient money to start any kind of business. So money. Okay, I have a money. So next, then what we required to manufacturing. For example, our requirement is paper plates. So how it is manufactured? Through machinery. So next, through this money, what you have purchased? Yeah, first machinery. Machinery you had to purchase. Money, through money you purchase machinery. Okay. Then to manufacture the product, what we required? Yes, good. Material. So these materials are raw materials, semi-finished good, finished goods. Different types of materials. So as per your according to the business, so whichever we require, those type of materials we have to purchase. Okay, perfect. Then to start manufacturing, next, what is required? Manpower. What is required? Manpower. Without manpower, we cannot do anything, right? So manpower is required. So I have a mission, I have money, machinery, and material and manpower. Everything I have. Then we can manufacturing the product and we can sell the product. Once it is done, we can sell the product. Then this money is flowing, then you can start the business, right? So this is the process to start any business. This is the basic process, correct? So this is okay. For example, you are starting startup company, so limited customers you have, then you can maintain without software, you can maintain your data. So going forward, you are updating your business, you are migrating your business to different locations. So customers got increased. You cannot handle the customer data. You cannot handle the money transactions. So definitely we required one business solution related one object is required to monitoring your data. So this is the ERP solution. ERP means enterprise resource and planning. This ERP is an object. It's a package, not an object. It's a package. The package means the package is nothing but combination of all business solutions. ERP is having all type of business solutions are available under ERP. ERP it is itself, it is a package. In this package, we have a business solution based on your, for example, small company, mini company, large companies, top MNC companies. So based on the capacity, it has list of business solutions are available. So according to that, the company, which one is feasible, then then that is the product they purchased and they use in the day-to-day business. Okay. So what is ERP and what type of solutions are here it is available? Let's see. ERP stands for what? Enterprise, Resource and Planning. Enterprise means your company. What is the resource? Money, machinery, material, manpower. These are the resource. Then you have a money, everything. Then you are planning. So to start a business. So what type of business you start? So for example, as we discussed here, mini companies, large scale companies. So many companies, small scale companies. So we have a solutions are available like BAN, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. These are the ERP related business solutions. This using this business solution, these are supported for mini and medium scale companies. So money wise, cost wise, it is a less cost and it can control the limited data. Limited data means 1 lakh records or above 1 lakh records. It can handle, the systems can handle. So large scale companies, Fortune 500 companies, those companies are using SAP. SAP, it is stored the data in centralized server. These servers are highly cost effective. To purchase a server, it's a cost wise very high. So these SAP solutions used by only large scale companies. Small scale companies, we have a different solutions are available. Only for SAP solutions are used by top MNCs only. Top large scale companies are using SAP solutions. Okay. So these are the predefined objects. We no need to do anything additional activities, directly easy to use products. So what are the services are here it is providing? Generally, if you start any business and if any type of complex scenarios, for example, if you see here the typical business process. Typical business process means, for example, in our day-to-day life, everyone visiting for purchasing car, bikes, to visiting the showrooms, right? So, for example, just assume like you are a customer. Just assume like you are a customer. So you need to purchase Creta car, Hyundai Creta car. This is you need to purchase. For example, not only specific Creta car. First, your requirement is what? You need to purchase a car. Just you need to you required car. So what is your thoughts to purchase a car? For example, my requirement is as a customer, I need to purchase a car. So what is your strategy and what are the what is steps you are following? What are the steps are you are following to purchase a car as a customer? Yes, tell me. Just assume like you are a customer, so you need to purchase a car. So what are the steps you are doing?
I can choose through EMI option.
Mm, before that, first you had to decide a car, right? Which car it is suitable on your budget. First, you had to check your budget. That is the first point, correct? Then you had to decide which product is the best product in the market as per your budget. For example, if you, for example, check your budget. For example, you have a 13 lakh rupees in your hand. In this budget, what you can list out through online or newspapers or some way. So you list out the products in the markets. So what are the products are available? Which is the best product under my budget? Then you decide, right? So as per your budget, you decided Creta car, for example, Creta. You need to purchase Creta. Okay, you decided to purchase the Creta car. So what are the next step? So you decided to purchase a Hyundai Creta car. So what you have to do to buy this car? You have a sufficient money, so you need to purchase. Yes, please respond. This is simple, right? Everyone doing in the real time. Please respond. Then only you can understand some business scenarios. So business topics. Going forward, some business related, some names it will come. So then you can easily understand. So that is my intention. So you have a sufficient money, you have everything. So what is your next step? Please respond, no problem.
Yes, sir. I will visit the Honda
Very good.
showroom.
Very good. Excellent. That is the first process. So
Yes,
in your location, which showroom is near to you? So you can visit that showroom. That is the first step. So you are visiting the showroom nearby your location, correct? So okay, perfect. Now you are in the showroom. Just assume like now you are in the showroom. So showroom level. So first, who visit you?
sales manager.
Very good. The sales team. The sales team activity is what? There is an end product is ready. They're ready to sell the product. That is their
Yes,
job roles. Correct? Very good.
yes.
So here the sales team, so they received you, they will give you the some estimated price. Some means, for example, Krita. In the Krita level, we have a different products like sports related, sports cars, and some interior wise. There is a different engine wise, different models under this same Krita. So, as per your budget, they will suggest you best car. The sales team activities are this sell the product. That is the activity. Okay, you are decided some particular model, some particular model under the Krita, and they will give you the estimated price and estimated quotation. So what we are, I am uh, telling here, quotation is the new word. So quotation, in this quotation, so in this quotation, what are the details are available? Quotation means what? This is estimated. So these are the things it will come, and price wise they will give you the outer on road or GSTs, or they will give you the some estimated price before your purchase. These are all information that is provided by the quotation, means that's estimated information. So that is all given by the sales team. Okay, as per the quotation, you are ready to purchase. So as per the quotation, the sufficient money you have, then you need to purchase the product. Okay, so to purchase the product, first you are ready. Then immediately the sales team has to inquire about if the product is available right now. So immediately the sales team inform to the inventory. So inventory team, what the inventory team just collect the information for production and planning department. So first inventory level, Is the product is available, they're ready to give to the customer. If then there is no product is available, the same product, whatever the customer desired product, it's not available at inventory location. So immediately this inventory team informed to the production plan, customer is asking for this particular model. So here it is not available. To manufacture this product, how many days are required? So this team, sales team, if it is not product is not available, they have to give some tentative time, estimated time they have to provide. Correct? So that is the case. This inventory team checking with the production planning team to manufacture this product, new product, how many days it will take. So according to the information, they inform to the inventory team to pass the same information to the sales team. So to manufacture this product, it will take 3 to 4 months or 90 days. It will take to manufacture the product. So same information, yeah, the sales team inform to the customer. This is a 90 days waiting period. So according to that, they have to decide. There's some advance something amount they will give, and in that meantime, what they have to do in the production planning. So they have to manufacture this new product. They required what? Materials. Materials are required. These materials might be raw materials. Raw material means uh, it's a kind of spare parts. Finished goods, semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods means, for example, engine. Engine, it's a combination of all parts. The ready-to-use product. That is a finished product. Okay. Semi-finished goods means you had to fix it. Something products are available, and raw material means you had to start. You had to make it. So different types of products, materials are required. Raw materials, semi-finished good, or finished good. To purchase these materials, to manufacture this car, these materials are required. These materials are purchased from this company, this particular Hyundai company. They are purchasing from the different vendors. So they are also same who is giving the best discount in the market. So they choose the best vendor and they collect the products from these vendors. All materials they collect from different vendors. So then through that, after collecting all the material, they start manufacturing the product. Once the product is ready, so once the product is ready, then it will move to shop floor execution. That means it's ready to purchase, and then it is assign some price or price range. What is the price and what is the GST? That's all taken care about the finance team. So then after that, then ready to hand over to the customer. So here we are discussing different department like sales department, inventory department, production planning department, CRM department, sorry, SRM department, and shop floor execution, FI department. This all department under controlled by the HR department. HR is human resource department. What is the activity? Hiring and firing. These both activities are done by whom? Every company there is a HR team. So they are recruiting the candidates, they are firing the candidates. So these are all data under controlled by the all objects under controlled by the HR team. So this is a complete end-to-end scenario. Complete end-to-end scenario. So to perform this kind of business scenario, this kind of complex business scenario. So combination of all business. This is one scenario, one business scenario. This is one. Internally, it has several steps. Inventory team, it has some different steps, right? So each object interconnected with each other. So this entire business scenario are available at ERP products. ERP products give the all the facilities. Like these are all solutions are fulfilled this ERP solutions. Going forward in the SAP level, here we are discussing different objects, right? Each object is in one module. For example, CRM, Customer Relation Management. This is a SAP. SAP level, this is the one module, CRM module, Customer Relation. Sales Department, SD module. Plant Maintenance, Production Planning, PP. F5, Finance, Finance and Controlling. This is for vendors. Vendors, Supplier Relation Management. So HR. So like this, we have each department, we have a different type modules in SAP. So almost we have in SAP level, we have 300 plus modules as of now. Each module is a professional module. SAP SD, SAP CRM, SAP PP, SAP PM, SAP FICO, SAP HR. So like this, we have 300 plus modules, including that. And now in our MDG also one of the module in SAP in that. Okay. So these are all typical business solutions under control. I mean, it's available under the ERP package. So ERP package, what it provide us, it's provide the typical business processes, the typical business processes related all solutions under the ERP package. Okay. So in the ERP package level, SAP is the one of the product. ERP product. SAP is the one of the ERP product. Okay. This is for just basic understanding the business scenario. So going forward, we will discussing each and every business scenarios. Same process we are deploying into the system level. How we configure the data. So that we'll discuss on the next. So whatever we are discussing now, ERP, enterprise resource planning, what are the solutions? Just I have given the information here. Just you can go through it. I will share this details and this PPT and everything. And now in the ERP level, the product is what? SAP. So going forward, we are discussing the topic is SAP. So what is SAP? What is the history of SAP? So SAP is stands for what? System Application and Product in Data Processing. System, application, and products. So SAP mainly what here it is doing. There is a different. We'll discuss next slide. So we have a list of we have a 3 layers object. So through that, the system develop the products through the application. We have a predefined application. Through that, we can develop the product, means our applications. Develop a user-defined application, user requirements that can fulfill through this application. So this ERP, it's a ERP software. SAP is a ERP software, just we discussed. So who can use this SAP solution means Fortune 100 companies, 70% of all Fortune 100 companies, 50% all Fortune 500 companies, top scale, large scale companies are using, basically these large scale companies are using SAP products. So because of this, SAP is the data stored in the centralized location. The data stored in the centralized location means what? Server. The data stored, entire data stored permanently in the server. So this server cost is high. So based on here, the performance wise, data secure wise, it is a best approach. That is servers. So that is the reason all companies are using this SAP products in the market. So when it started, so SAP, it started in the 1972. First, who started this? First, 5 IBM employees have started in German. That is a company. They started first SAP AG. The company name is SAP AG. So first, develop the business solution SAP software. That is a they started under the ERP. So first they started. There is a, the 1980s. This time there is no internet world. So every application they prepared manually. There is no internet world. They each and every application they had to do through the coding. So first they introduced one application, that means one is a ERP software, that is a R by 2. R by 2 means R is indicating real time and 2 stands for architecture. Real time two-tier architecture. So it is introduced in 1980, and 1990 they introduced R by 3, real time three-tier architecture, also called three-layered architecture. So what is the difference between R by 2 and R by 3 here? Why they are moving from here to here? So see here, R by 2 and R by 3 architecture. So this is the R by 2 architecture. R by 2 architecture means server and client architecture. Server and client architecture. That means one main server, they are providing the services to the different clients. Clients nothing but systems. So for example, one server is connected to only limited clients, means limited systems. 5 systems it is connected. So whenever client requested the data, when it directly hit to the server, then it gives the response to the client. So going forward, if they increase the client count here, client server architecture, one server connected with the different clients. So going forward, it is increase the, if they increase the client count, what happened? Performance got decreased. Of course, it is impact and performance because of multiple clients, but one single server cannot handle. So multiple requests are coming. It's the server. So then automatically the response would be delayed. So that is the reason this architecture got failed. That means delay response to this delay response, they are moving to what they designed one more architecture, that is R by 3. This is the R by 3 architecture. In this architecture, if you see here, it's a 3-layer architecture. Presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. Presentation layer. Presentation layer, nothing but your mobile phones, laptops, desktops, whatever the data you can view onto the screen, that is nothing but presentation layer. Okay. Application layer. Application layer means set of programs. It's a common list of programs that is developed under the server. And database layer. The database layer is, this is server is the database layer. Database layer. So here the data stored permanently. Here the data stored permanently. So for example, presentation layer. In this presentation layer, for example, I need to check one student result. So this presentation layer, it is divided into different region. For example, India is one region, UK and US. 3 different systems are connected with different users. So here the advantage is what? It is segregated into 3 different layers. One is the presentation layer. This is the presentation layer. This is the application layer. This is the database layer. For example, this Indian client requesting student result. If he submit the some hall ticket number, for example, submit. It is connected to application layer. So in this application layer, it has a backend program. So to fetch the records. So same request, it is informed to the server through this application layer. So based on that information through this database layer, the data stored permanently here, the tables level. So which table data it is? The same data that is respond to the same application layer. Through this application layer onto the screen, we can see the result. Through this, what happened? So we are segregating this all system, these three layers. The performance got increased. So here we are directly, we are not hitting the database. I mean server. We are not directly hitting the server. So in between there is a mediator application layer. So application layer, it is controlling the requests, based on the priority. Okay. Then it is give you the response to the clients, list of clients like this. So here it is each region, all, for example, in the before R by 2 architecture. So once it is hit the once it is requested, it is directly hit to the server. Any client, all requests at a time hit to the server. So server doesn't support which request I have to take it forward first. So that is the case. They segregated these three layers. So each one is handling with the application layer. Through this application layer, it will reach to the server. So through this, we can increase the performance. In the real time also, we are using the same architecture, R by 3 architecture only we are following going forward. So SAP versions. SAP versions are, SAP first version is ECC 5.0. So here it is a 5.0, 6.0. This is indicating years. These are the months. Every SAP product, there is a something HANA 9.2, 9.3. That means that is indicating year. Okay, 2019 something. That is. So here the first ECC product, ECC Enterprise Core Component. This is the SAP software. It's kind of SAP database. Okay, kind of database. So this enterprise core component, SAP related database, that is first ECC enterprise core component. This is developed in 2005. So it is released in 2005, but all market related, all objects are not available. For example, if they start any kind of business, certain objects are required. They have to control the customers, vendors, material, and finance objects. So these are the major objects required. So all objects, they first their basic model they created, they released in the 2006. This is the last version, ECC level last version, 6.0. This is released in 2006. From this 6.0, all market business related, all objects are available in this version. It is supported to all kind of business solutions. ECC 6.0. And from this version onwards, going forward, SAP what it has, it was doing, whatever the products in the market, many companies are they started with startup like reporting tools, some other business tools they develop. They start to migrate those type of products into SAP, which are the products they developed, they acquired with sufficient money they given to them, and those tools they are including into SAP. Almost that is the reason we currently have 300 plus modules in SAP. So from 2008, for example, here we take BIBO. Earlier it is not a SAP tool, business integration and business objects. It's outside of the product, third party product. This third party product, they purchase from the owners and who developed this, the purchase, and they are included into the SAP. Like this, in the going forward 2019, they added multiple products, multiple objects into the SAP third party. These products they purchase, they are included into the SAP. Now we have a 300 plus modules in the SAP. So ECC last version is 6.0. In this version, almost this version we are using up to 2013 to 14. Later, we have a new version. In this, before 2013, this SAP, depending on other database objects, so other platforms, they are they are depending on different database tools like Oracle. This platform they are depending. There is no own database for SAP till 2030. So the performance wise and result wise also very low as compared to the latest products in the market. So as for the market competition, they started their own database. Their own database starts from 2014. This is a SAP version. First, they are started in 1972. R by 2 started in 1979. R by 3 started in 1992. And ECC last version, Enterprise Core Component. This is a kind of database. It's a database. ECC database, Enterprise Core Component 6.0. This is up to, this start from 2004 to 2014. This version is available. There is no HANA before 2014. So up to the last version is ECC level 6.0. Here the EHP, EHP means enhanced package. This is the last package version 8.0. Why? What is this enhanced package means? Just now we discussed BI, BO, SRM, CRM, this tool. These are all third-party tools. These products developed by others. But what happened? These products SAP purchased and they included into the SAP level. How it is included? There is a specific package is required. So that is the reason. If they want to include new objects into the SAP, they designed one package, that is EHP, enhanced package. Enhanced package, that is 8.0. This is the last version in the ECC level. The latest version, HANA. This is the SAP own database. Once it is came into the picture, all companies are migrating into the S4 HANA because of it's a high performance. The result and performance wise, very high, and development wise, coding wise, everything it's updated. So it's a very competitive in the market level. It is giving the best competition to the other platforms. So this S4 HANA is a SAP own database. It is starts from, it is introduced in the 2014 and using in from the 2015. Currently we are using, going forward our SAP MDGR all products we are working with the S4 HANA only. Going forward we are discussing our topics in S4 HANA. In the going forward in next, still they are using, some companies are using ECC products, but they are migrating to S4 HANA. Going forward next couple of years, there is no ECC, only S4 HANA. Everyone, mostly 70% of companies are already moved to S4. So going forward, there is no ECC. Everyone directly using S4 HANA. The startup companies and everything, they are start with latest version S4. So this is the SAP versions. Okay, ECC is the last version 6.0. The latest version is S4 HANA. It start from 2015. Okay, it's a SAP own database. Next. So like this, we have a list of module: SD, MM, FICO, HR, SRM, CRM, sales and distribution, material management, finance, controlling, human resources, CRM, customer relation management, supplier relation management, supply chain management. So like this, we have a 300 plus modules. Each module is a professional module. So based on the market competition, which one is the best module in the market that you have to choose? Okay. So this is the very important one. So this is the first demo session you are attending today. So someone is asking you, what is the course you are joining? What is the course you are attending daily? So once you get the job, what is your designation? What is your designation? You are software, but what is your designation? For example, Java, if you learn Java, Java developer, or you are working with analytical tools, you are the analyst, data analyst, kind of. These are the designation. But here, what is your job role? Your job role here, every every position we are calling like a consultant positions. So SAP consultants. So generally SAP level we have a three major consultants, that is functional and technical and basis. These are the three basic. These are the three categories are here. So functional consultant activity is what? This functional consultant activity. So he directly interact with the client, gather the requirement. Client phase. The client phase means he interact with the client, gather the requirement. Based on the requirement, they had to do some configurations and they had to prepare the functional documents. Based on these functional documents, if any technical related uh, objects are required, for example, based on the customer required list of report, they want to see the every month report, customer report. So that is done by through the coding. So the coding, who is doing? The technical consultant. So functional consultant activity is what? Gather the requirements from the client, then make it into one document. That document is called functional document. This functional document hand over to the technical team. The technical team, what type of requirement it is, they are doing technical through the technical objects. Here the technical objects like Java, .NET, we have a technical module. We have ABAP, Advanced Business Application. This is the module ABAP for coding. Using this coding, they develop the product. Okay. The technical consultant activity is what? They are working on the code. Okay, this Java and .NET. Next, how they develop using the program, ABAP programs. This ABAP program, they develop the product, technical ones. And one more consultant, basis consultant. Basis consultant activity is what? Basis consultant activity, they're monitoring the servers, server monitoring. So like the server level, there this functional consultant, technical consultant, list of users are using their different objects. So the data volume are some daily the data volumes are very huge volumes are they're handling. So directly if it is hit to the server, what happens? There is a system cannot support like that. So they're differentiating with the jobs. So through the job monitoring, required installations, system related installations, software installations, and roles and authorizations. So job monitoring, server related job monitoring, these are all done by the who? Basis team. The basis team activities, but the server related all type of issues they can handle by the basis. Okay. So now you know the functional consultant job roles and responsibilities, technical consultant job roles and responsibilities, basis consultant. So now after completion of the course, what is your designation? After completion of the course, if anyone asks you, what you tell, what you address, after completion of the course, what is your designation? Are you guys with me?
For SAP consultant.
SAP consultant. What type of consultant? As a functional consultant,
Functional
technical?
functional
Very,
functional
very good.
consultant.
Excellent. So you have to address it every time SAP. Don't call it SAP. Okay. It is a specified abbreviation for SAP. Got it? SAP functional consultant. So which module you are learning? SAP MDG functional consultant. This is your designation after completion of yours. Once you get the job, this is your designation. You are not involving any coding. The configurations and documentation, client interaction, that is your job roles. Okay, got it? So tomorrow onwards, we are working with the server interaction. Just we are discussing with the server, right? How to log into the server, and so how can we design the products configurations, that we'll discuss on tomorrow topic. So generally, we are giving you the server. The servers we are calling the IDS servers, nothing but sandbox servers. So IDS means International Demonstration Education System. So this is nothing but sandbox system. You can do anything, no problem. But real time using, the project level using, that is the production server. The production server, everything is monitored. Okay. So first, for training server, that is we are providing. So through that you can connect to the servers and you can configure the products. Okay. Configure the objects, that we'll see on the next classes. So I am stopping up to here. This is enough for today. And going forward, so first, as you know, first 3 demo sessions are free demo sessions. You no need to pay anything. So after complete 4th day onwards, who are subscribed, those candidates can access the daily. We are not sending any emails. So we are giving you the dedicated websites. I hope our website. This is our website. You're logging into here. I hope everyone familiar. I hope everyone register right here. So you are subscribed. Once you subscribe, you will get the access here, one dedicated access. In this access, for example, if you see here, SAP regular sessions and your running notes and your PPTs and materials and everything here it is available. And daily you are come to this place. Once you subscribe, we will give you the dedicated access. And today this recording will also updated here only, the same place. So daily you can check your recordings after completion of the session. Next 4 to 5 hours, the recording will be available at this place. Here you can watch the recording, and here the recording would be what are the topics are we are discussing today. That's all information here it is available. Who are missing, then directly you can come to there. It's equal to live session. If any doubts or clarifications are required, here the email to instructor. Directly you can click here, you can what is your doubt and everything, click on send, automatically it is reach out. Okay, direct interaction also available here. Okay, your documents also, materials also available at this same place. So server related, site related, any document, any informations are required, directly you can reach out to our mentor. I hope you all know the mentor details, right? So directly you can call to the mentor. So mentor information, if you she is your mentor. This is the number 8688434976. So anytime you can reach out to her, she can help you. Okay, any subject related doubts, if she cannot clarify, so then directly you can ping me, I can help you. Okay, so for any help you can reach out to your mentor. She is your dedicated mentor. Okay, and from the 4th day onwards, you have a dedicated link we are providing for attending the meetings. So this is the link we are providing. Then if you open, then you can see here the meeting links. Okay, so if you click on here, then directly it is connected to the meeting. So daily update, site or class updates and everything you can see in this website. So we will give you once over this demo session, we'll provide you the all the accesses, site access and server accesses for subscribed candidates. So these are the services that we are providing. So this this is a class, it's take 60 days for training. Here the two phases. Here the two phases. First phase is training phase. In this training phase, so we are covering the all the SAP basics, all MDG classes with the documentations, materials and everything you can get in the training sessions. Complete subject overview you can get it here. This is a phase 1, and here we are providing server access also. Server access, here we are providing server access, 6 months server access we are providing. Once it is done, 60 days it is done. Next is phase 2. This is from only for phase 1. The phase 2 section, placement assistance. So through this course, you can gain the subject, but you are unable to attend the interviews. If you attend the interviews, take 10 to 15 interviews. But here the placement assistance, in this placement assistance level, what are the services you will get? Your resume preparation first. Next, topic wise interview question. You are from a non-SAP background. You have everyone having the gaps, right? Education gap. After education, there is no jobs. Or someone working with different domain. Then now, how do we convert those experience to SAP? Those everything we can help you. And if anything is documents are required, that is also we can provide. Okay, experience related. And next, here topic wise interview questions, and everyone some any communication issues or anything. So business communications also we have. Same services. And once everything is done, and here we are real-time objects we are discussing, and I will assign you some real-time objects that you had to work on it. Then the same object you had to put it on the resume. Okay. Once everything is done, then 101 mark interview. So these are the things comes under the placement assistance. Whoever done this all things, then directly we are deploying into the interview, real-time interview. So whoever complete this all course, it's take once it is completion up to here, it's take 3 months. So next month, whoever continuously attending the two to three interviews, they definitely get the job. So here the job packages, as you know, everyone, if anyone is following my statuses, they know. So for 3+ years of experience, you can get 12 lakh above package. The minimum package is 12 lakh. Maximum, that is up to you. The based on your knowledge, how to gain your subject, based on how fast you gain, then your package would be increased. Based on you are getting the more offers, your package would be high. If you get one offer, that is starting from 12 lakh. Okay. If you have any add-on experience, IT experience that we added, and I will support you how you prepare your resume, how to get best packages, and how to get joining bonus and everything, that is I can help you once you complete the course and once you get the offers. So these are all services we can provide you. So everything, so our websites and our maintenance and everything is highly professional. So our mentors are available 24/7. Anytime you can reach out to them. So any type of solutions, I mean requests or questions, you can reach out to her. Okay. Is it everything is clear, right? This is time to you. Doubts? Any doubts here? Any doubts, clarifications? Any doubts? Any
No.
questions? So please to feel to free ask me any questions, and in the session level also, please be interact with me. Okay, the right or wrong, no matter. First interaction is important. So from going forward, if you get any doubt, simple doubt also, please raise. Okay, then other people also get motivated. They will also ask some questions. If you ask something, I will give you the more information. Okay, guys. So no doubts, I will close the session. I will update you tomorrow's session because I have some uh, traveling program on tomorrow. So I'll let you know today evening. So at what time we would connect. Okay. So Saturday, Sunday, I hope everyone is free, right? Anytime is okay, right? Is it okay, right? I will update you the timings. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Thanks,
sir.
Sure.
thanks everyone.
Sure.
Thanks for joining. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.